So guys, this is the first video of Linux, and in this video I am going to show how to download Linux, that is the virtual machine, and Ubuntu. So first of all, you have to go to the Google Chrome and simply go to the virtualbox.org. I have given this link in the description box. You can access this link from the description box also, or click on the new tab button in Google Chrome and search for virtual box download, and then it will redirect the virtual box. The first link, the download Oracle VM virtual box, this is the thing you have to download. Click on the Oracle VM virtual box button. It will redirect you to the official website of VirtualBox. You have to download the Windows host. Make sure Windows host. I am again repeating, Windows host. You have to simply click on the Windows host. It will download, start downloading. So I have already installed it, so I am not going to install it again. And the another link is Ubuntu, which I have also given it to the description box. So open a new tab and search for Ubuntu download and wait for some time. The first link is ubuntu.com, download Ubuntu desktop. This is the option you have to click. It will redirect you to the official website of Ubuntu. In my case it is 20.04.4 LTS. But if you are seeing this video after some time, it might change the version, but the downloading process will be same. So click on the download button and it will start downloading. As I have already downloaded it, so I will not again going to download this. This is a long file, 3.1 GB, so it will take some time to download. Then I have to go to simply on computer section and then downloads folder. One second. At the downloads folder and search for VirtualBox. In my case the VirtualBox is here. You have to simply click on the VirtualBox and it will take some time. And user control access, you have to grant this as yes. Then a new pop-up will be shown like this, preparing to install, and this is the setup. You have to simply click on next. In my case it is repair or remove, but in your case it will be simply click on next, and then install. As in my case I have already installed it. After installing this, you have to simply go to the VirtualBox. Here my VirtualBox is Oracle VM VirtualBox, and the VirtualBox is looking like this. It will take some time to open, and here the VirtualBox is. It will be a very fresh VirtualBox. Not this thing will be shown in your VirtualBox because I have created it, because I am using VirtualBox since long time. These two, sdmonk Ubuntu and Ubuntu, will be not showing in your case. So what you have to do, you have to simply click on the new button. One second. New button, and name your operating system. In my case, I am naming this operating system as Ubuntu YouTube. You can select the machine folder. I am selecting other, and it will show a pop-up. I have to create a new folder like this and name as you want. I have name it as YouTube. So click on the YouTube and select this folder, and Linux. The type will be Linux and the version will be Ubuntu 64-bit. Then click on the next button. You have to select the memory size. I have given the size as 1499 in my case, and click on the next button, and then create, then next, and this is 10 GB, but I will be giving it as 24 GB, 24.5 GB, and click on the create button, and it will create a new file for you. One second. Here the new file is Ubuntu YouTube. This is the virtual box, that is the virtual machine. You not have to click on the start button. Firstly, you have to click on the settings, and a new pop-up will be shown, and you have to simply click on the storage and then empty, and you have to select the disk file, which is, I have told in the beginning of the video, that 3.1 GB, that is the disk file. Then choose the disk file, and here my disk file is Ubuntu 20.043 desktop AMDB64. I will select this. You also select this and click on the open. Okay, so after this you have to simply click on the start button, and your computer will be started. You have to do some few steps in order to complete, but I am not showing this because it might be lagging. So I am ending this video now. Make sure to like, subscribe my channel, and save this playlist. Thanks for watching this video.